Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshil and you're watching the channel Untitled Cravings. So today's recipe is creme caramel. It is also known as flan. So it is so easy to prepare and it's absolutely delicious. I cannot stress that enough. So as you see here, it's basically a custard base and coated with this clear running caramel on top, and it makes this whole delicious dessert to a whole new level. And it's so jiggly, as you see. It's so fun. It's like literally a piece of heaven you're gonna eat. So without any wasting any time, let's just get right into this recipe. So first off, we will prepare with our caramel. For that, you will be needing a half a cup of granulated sugar, and 4 tablespoons of water. Now take this to stir on medium heat. Once you see amber golden color, that's when you know the caramel is ready and you're ready to take off from the stove. So here I have these 2 oven safe bowls with the cake tin in the bottom, and now I will be adding the caramel onto my 2 bowls. You just need a thin layer of a caramel, and now keep this aside. And now we will prepare our custard. For that you will be needing 1.5 cup of whole milk, now keep it aside for some seconds. Till then we will keep our eggs ready. Here I have 2 eggs. Now moving on to stir, we will boil our milk first. To that I'll be adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and now you just need to boil them. Now once our milk is boiled, let it sit for some time. For about 10 minutes is fine. Now we will move on to the working station, and here I have the whisk and warm milk. Now I'm whisking the egg and simultaneously I'm adding the milk to it. Make sure you just keep on whisking. Now that I felt that it was too much, so I shifted to a bigger bowl. So I shifted to this pan and keep on whisking. And you should not let this warm milk cook the egg, so you need to whisk it as soon as possible. And to that I'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence to get that flavor. Now that custard base is ready, now we will pour the mixture onto this caramel. Now here I have this strainer. Through that I'll be adding this custard mixture onto it, so that anything, if egg curls up in between, you can just strain them and you can take the unnecessary things out of it immediately. Now once that is done, now we will prepare our water bath for our creme caramel. You can add warm water to this, or you can also add hot water. So now what this does is, it will not make our creme caramel hard or eggy. It will just make it very silky and very jiggly in between. And now we will bake this at 170 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And once you see a little golden brown on top, there you're good to go. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now once the baking is done, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes aside. And now we will take out the bowls onto a separate plate or onto any tray. now for the most hated part, that you need to refrigerate this for 4 hours till it sets. So here I have this warm water. Now I have chilled this for 4 hours, and the caramel will be a little hard, so you need to melt down a little bit. While you're putting them upside down, it should run glazy. So I will be dipping this in hot water for some time, maybe about for like 10 to 15 seconds would do. And now you're good to go. Now take a beautiful plate where you will be placing your flan on, and now that the flan is ready, I will cut the edges so that when you're turning it upside down, it comes out easily. Slowly just tilt them upside down. And voila, your flan is ready. And if you have this extra little residue, you can just pour them on top for the extra glaze. I really hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I love make this recipe. So if you really enjoy, please make sure to like this video and share it with your friends, and do comment below on what you really want me to make in my future videos. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, this would really help me a lot. And do hit the bell icon, then you get notified whenever I post new videos. And also do follow me on Instagram, Untitled Cravings. I will put all these links in my description, please do check. And also I have put all the ingredients and the recipes in my description, so please do check my descriptions as well. So that's it for now. I will see you in next week with brand new recipe. Till then, ciao!